Okay, example number 2. If the side lengths of a triangle are 4, 7, and 8, is the triangle acute, right, or obtuse? Step 1, identify the value of A, the value of B, and the value of C. What is the value of A? 4. What is the value of B? And C is? Then after that, C squared. Then ito magiging missing po yan. Tama? We have A squared plus B squared. Now, substitute na po. What is C? 8. This will become 8 squared. Okay, missing. What is A? Okay, 4 squared. Plus what is B? 7 squared. Then simplify na po. 8 times 8, 64. Missing. 4 times 4, 16. 7 times 7. Okay, then after that, bring down muna natin si 64. So get the sum. 16 plus 49. 65. Now compare the two numbers. Mas mataas po ang 65 kaysa sa 64. Now, what is the symbol? Silva? Less than. Now, if the symbol is less than, we can say that the given measurement is the measure of what triangle? Very good. This is acute triangle. Kapag less than. Kapag equal? Right. Kapag greater than, obtuse.